This is a maintenance program for the Goslyn. Again, we provide you with a laminated sheet. There's only 4 steps. It's 2 minutes a day. It's my favorite part of the Goslyn. We do recommend that you mount this on the wall near the Goslyn so that everybody has easy access to it. We'll also point out though, we do have some troubleshooting steps on the back side. If you're doing the front side, you won't need the back side, but they are there just in case you need them. So 3 things that have to happen on a daily basis, real simple. The first one is just check your oil level in the oil collection cassette. If that's starting to get full, empty that into your recycled oil bin or into the trash can. Either way is fine. We just don't want the oil going down the drain. The second step would be to empty your strainer basket. And that needs to be done on a daily basis as well, but this is going to collect any of the solid debris that make it past your sink strainers. There shouldn't be a lot of that, but we do want to make sure that we get that out of the unit on a daily basis. And then the third step is to open your flush valve for about 10 seconds once a day. This is going to take any of the fine particulates that get past that strainer basket and settle at the bottom of the tank. We want to flush those out as well. So the cool thing about that is because we're getting rid of the oil every day, we're getting rid of the solids in the strainer basket every day, and we're getting rid of the settled fine silts, there's nothing left inside the unit that's going to start to decay and start to smell. That's what creates the smells in the typical grease trap, is all that organic material starts to decay. On a weekly basis, we would recommend that as you're wiping down the unit, you check the oil valve as well as the breather valve to make sure that they're clear. We do provide a bottle brush for you so that you can clean those out on a weekly basis as well. And then just wipe the unit down. You may get a little bit of condensation on the inside of the lid from the heater. Again, both sides of this stay open. That middle section should stay nice and clean. That's typically where you can store the extra oil cassette. Again, 2 minutes a day, it's very simple.